7 different symbols represent Roman numerals with the following values. We have our values and our symbols over here. Roman numerals are formed by appending the conversions of decimal places from highest to lowest. Converting of decimal place value into Roman numeral has the following rules. If the value does not start with a 4 or 9, select the symbol of the maximum value that can be subtracted from the input, append the symbol to the result, subtract its value, and convert the remainder to a Roman numeral. If the value starts with 4 or 9, use the subtractive form representing one symbol subtracted from the following symbol. For example, 4 is 1 less than 5. So this is the Roman numeral symbol for 4. And 9 is 1 less than 10. So now we have the Roman numeral for 9, which is the 1 sign for and the 10x. So 1 comes before, 9 comes before 10. So we have 1 in front of the x, like we do for the 5, for the 4 before the 5. Only the following subtractive forms are used: 4, 9, 40, 90, 400, and 900. Only powers of 10, I, X, C, M can be appended consecutively at most 3 times to represent the multiple of 10. You cannot append 5, 50, or 500 times, multiple times. If you need to append a symbol 4 times, use the subtractive form. So, given an integer, convert it to a Roman numeral. In this example, we have this number here. So, explanation: HM is 1,000 times. We'll start from the highest value, which I've already made up here, using these and these added to it. So we start from the highest value. So we put all 1,000 in there and then subtract it from the value of this, and then, as it says over here, and then we go to the next lowest value, which is less than or equal to this, and which is this one, 500, and then 700, and then so now we have two 200s left, since 700 minus 500 is 200. We don't have 200, so we subtract 100 here and then again here. That's why we have these values. And now yes, let's get into this. So let's do a lower value now. So this is 50. We start over here. It's too high, so we keep going down. These are too high until we get to this, which is less than, which is less than, or it has to be less than or equal to. It has to be, if it's more than or equal to, then we have to keep going down until it's less than or equal. Hold on, let's get to the code. So this will be, we have a time complexity of O of 1. This might most people might have thought that this was O of n, but since we have the same fixed values, we have O of n. So our space complexity is O of 1 also, because there's no extra space being taken. So now hold on. we put tuples in our list for values and symbols. Dictionary is more effective. No, less efficient than list for this because list is ordered. So I already made these, put these values in and this. So what will we do here? Let's not forget our goal for this problem. Let's move. So let me paste this. So result. We need a string output. So this is where we're going to put our symbols in for each letter, for each number that we just input it. So while num, which is going to be num is greater than or equals to our value so we forgot to make our loop for value and symbol. And let me copy and paste these. So value and symbol in this while nums is more than or equal to values. So while equals to any of these values here, so any value, so it will keep going down. So while it's less than or equals to any value, so if the inputted value here is more than or equal to any value, let's add it to this result. The plus or equals to symbol. So they're corresponding whichever it is less than or equals to. So for example here it's m, so it's equal to this. So now we after we put our num in, the m, after we put the m in, we should take it out. So num minus value equals to minus value. So after we added the for example here it should be minus value, and then yeah, that's it. This is all. Let's do it. I think. Let's see if there's a mistake. That's it. So return result. Hopefully this works. Let's see. Syntax error. Oh yes, we've been able to pass all cases. No, all three cases. Let's see if it will pass all cases. Boom, and it's been able to pass all cases. And that's all for this one.